guess one of the things you might be worried about people collecting from the Pharmaself24 is the fact that you maybe not seeing as many people face to face. But what we've done is back that up with quite a strong presence on social media as well. So it's actually really nice that we can get messages even on a weekend. You know, I don't mind sending somebody back a message. Generally, they're very positive. You know, thanking us the fact that they come pick the prescription up on a Sunday evening. And we're constantly looking at ways which we can communicate better with our patients. We're actually finding in some ways it gives us a more controlled interaction because we know exactly when they've picked up, we know if people aren't picking up, and therefore if we're worried about anybody we can give them a call and say, look, we've noticed you haven't picked up, because it's sort of, the machine is telling us it hasn't. And I think it's just really about sort of thinking literally outside of the box and thinking what else supports the machine and supports the way we use technology.